Looks like a 10 by 10, pretty full. Look at that. I didn't show, but it looks pretty much full to the top and bottom. We didn't really get too far into it, of course. We've just taken a couple things out. We see a table set, pretty much. We're gonna take that out to the warehouse. Not too much today, just a couple things. All right, let's see what's in here. This box is pretty dusty. You can see on the sides. Crap. There's storage on it, so we have no idea what could be in here. Look at that, QVC. How do I open this? Upside down, all right, let's see. Oh wait, Majestic. Okay, so it's like jewelry cleaner, not actual jewelry, unfortunately. That'd be cool. Just some jewelry cleaner. Some cleaner for that jewelry. What is this? Is this like a jewelry box too? Probably a jewelry box. Look at that. All right, and I mean, looks just to be brand new, not really used at all. Looks like a nice jewelry box though. Looks like literally like brand new, never touched. Goodness, guys, look at all these boxes. They've not been touched in so long. It's just been covered in dust in the top. So the sides is a little bit dusty. Let's cut into this though. Let's cut into this. If this Monopoly is like all the pieces, it could be. Looks like a pretty vintage Monopoly. Could be probably an easy little $30 eBay sale. I seem to find these a lot at flea markets, so I kind of know. There we go.
I was not peeking in your box.
Look, Mike,
you can get better at your video games.
Oh my God, this is a 20-year keyboard. Look at it. This is an optimal desk. Look at that. It's brand new though. Actually, that could be a good sale too. I bet. This is brand new. I bet if I scan this is at least 20 bucks on eBay too. Bum, bum, bum. Oh. Okay, this way. Bum, bum, bum. It's like a little jewelry box for like maybe a greens or something. Seems like this lady likes jewelry. Maybe not for jewelry per se, but it's a nice little decorative box to hold something small, I guess. What is this, like a jewelry bag? Yeah, looks like it's probably like something, maybe for makeup or something. Is there anything in here? Nope. Damn. It's just brand new. It's brand new, but still not bad. Alright, some clothes. Looks like some pretty nice clothes. Some pajamas. Alright. Some brand new slippers. Some Victoria's Secret pajamas. It looks like this is pajamas, I think. All this is like Victoria's Secret.
Ooh. Sweater.
Let's see. Sweater again, right? Oh, alright. We got Victoria's Secret slippers. What is this? A bag or is it like some pants? Boing. What is this? Like, ooh, that's brand new. What is this? Like one of these like little Easter things you give? No, this is like a school supply set. Maybe you give some, I don't know. Maybe like a teacher thing. Look, because it has like paper flowers. Like, what kid needs that?
Anaya like them.
Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's brand new. We got 11-inch post-bound scrapbook glitter sticker. Oh, maybe yeah, it's a scrapbooking thing. Don't be rude to me.
Bro went shopping at Macy's a lot, didn't she?
Little bro went shopping at Macy's. All right, just a bunch of like decorative things. Nothing too valuable, I don't think yet.
History.
49ers, look at a kid's jacket.
Pimp jacket?
Kid's
jacket.
jacket.
Pimp jacket. Throw that in the whatnot pile. I guess it could be. Ooh, what's that? Shark Week.
Shark.
All right. A little skanky. Put that right there down on the VHS.
Oh, okay. It's not. That's not whatnot one. Coca-Cola.
Oh, I want to double check.
Hey, I'm gonna open it, Dan. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Was that a bear? Barrington collection. We found a couple of these.
Wow, she was efficient. Look at it's all of her black stretch pants.
Oh my gosh.
Efficient.
Brand new, like a little blanket, yeah.
Oh, there's two of them.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, they're not for the internet. They're more for the market. No, I'm not going to put those
Trunk
on there.
organizer tote bag. Like a little pillow set
So a lot
here.
of people get excited when you see these things moved by moving companies, right? This is the equivalent of what happens when a moving company. That's why it cracks me up when people go hog wild and big, because they always think it's just some Some great treasure. Can you get down there a little farther, Michael?
Yeah, maybe. I need to cut this part down.
I'm just curious what's in that bag. Somewhere's hidden jewelry in here. I feel like it's not.
Yeah.
I don't even like it when I'm just dibsing before Jessica gets a chance to dibs everything. Ooh, wait a minute. Set this. Can you get?
No.
I just want you to.
I was just gonna pour it upside down.
No.
Oh my gosh.
But it's nice. I thought I saw some vintage shirts in there when you did. That's one reason I got excited. Ooh, that's what I thought I saw.
Oh.
Make me purr. That's what I'm talking about.
So why not? I'm just kidding.
What did it say? I love me. Priceless.
Priceless.
I'm literally my favorite person. Oh, okay. Put that in there too.
Some pajama.
I thought that was a good champion sweater.
Some pajama pants or something.
Definitely brand new. We want to pull that out. We'll let our clothing expert look at it or something. Come on, Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton. There's stuff in here?
Oh yes. Come on, baby. What is it? Just a new purse with the sack.
What is it? Is the sack also? Yeah. What's the sack? What is that?
Fifth Avenue.
I don't know. I don't know what that is. It's got all the papers and stuff in it though.
Store.
Oh, it is?
Shirts. That one's a pretty tight one.
Yeah. Someone's like dust flying everywhere. Another sheet. Another sheet. And what are these? Dang. It's like a brand new. What the heck? These are kind of cool though.
Good.
Look at that, guys. Just look at it. Look at this big stack of just nice jeans right here.
They might.
Look at these. They're like nice jeans too. Not like Calvin Klein jeans. Size. Size 10. Look at that though. Brand new. It's not even like dirty or nothing. Not dirty or nothing.
Hey guys, nobody pick your nose or butt.
Yep, same thing. I think these are Calvin Klein too, right? Or
yeah, anything that looks
yeah.
fancy brand, Michael, we're gonna set aside for the auction.
Calvin Klein's a good brand.
Not Calvin Klein, but still a nice pair of jeans.
What brand are they? Massimo?
I think that's what it says, yeah.
Target.
Calvin Klein jeans.
Oh no, because
Dickies.
is Moda expensive or what?
I don't know what mode it is.
Calvin Klein again. London jeans. All right, everybody, it's been a little bit since I recorded. Let me show you a bit. Look, everything's out of the unit, not everything, but about like half of it. And we're actually getting some good stuff right now. We're getting a bunch of jewelry, some silver stuff. Let me see if I can actually open one. Because some of them are empty, of course. Look at
That's different.
10 karat
That's
gold
I
anklet.
think so.
And Hardy in.
QVC.
Damn, Michael, hold that up.
Oh, look.
I mean, like with your hands. Oh, you're sorry. You have two hands
I
down.
was gonna try to do it too.
That's gold.
That is a very expensive piece, Michael. It looks to be Native American. It's definitely silver. I think that's a very pricey piece. Let me show you something. That is a nice little $60, $80, $100 piece right here, Michael.
Thanks, more Native American jewelry.
Sterling.
All right, guys, we're done here. We just started packing pretty much everything back up that we just put it back in here for now. We'll be back in like a day or two to wrap it up. This is all we took. We took like the tabletop, the chairs, some random eBay items, a bunch of Princess House stuff, a little bit of jewelry found at the end. Hopefully we found some more because, you know, we got a little bit left. And we're out of here. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have watched this far, put like a heart. I've said it every time. I want to change it though. Put like a fist. Just put like a fist that you have that. Put a fist emoji. Thank you for watching.